Hey, it's Mike, and today I want to talk about a stock that doesn't get a lot of coverage from financial YouTubers, but it's some great price movement here, so you want to check it out. And it's SiriusXM, stock ticker SIRI on the NASDAQ. SiriusXM was up over 2.5% on Friday, up to 627. Its 52-week high is 740. In the past month, the stock has seen some excellent price action, and one of the big catalysts is that they were able to re-sign their biggest talent, Howard Stern, which has driven the stock higher after really kind of going nowhere for a while. The critical areas you want to look at is 651 and then 740. And I think with the November-December Santa Claus rally, we could see a rise in SiriusXM holdings because one of the big catalysts to these sales is the fact that they sell their radios, and then with the radios they sell their subscriptions. So you should be able to see more radio sales during the holidays, and then because of that, more subscriptions. And another great thing about SiriusXM Holdings is that their money primarily comes from a subscription model. You pay a monthly or annual fee to get their service. Now, as far as competitors, SiriusXM does not have any like satellite radio competitors per se. Their biggest competitor really are podcasts. However, there are people who really use the service a lot, people who drive long distances like to use satellite radio. They also have things that podcasts cannot provide, is like up to the weather, up to the moment traffic and weather and news reports. And they also just have a huge variety of music. And also their radio systems can do like live rewind. So if you listen to a song that you like, you can rewind and find out what the song was. So there's still a lot of things to like about XM. I know XM was a lot more of a bigger deal when it first started. I mean, this is actually the chart of SiriusXM before they even launched their satellite radio service. You could see it was up into the 50s. And then when they finally launched, then they got up to 6 and 7, and then they've kind of dived down. And this, what really killed them was the advent of podcasting. But now they're starting to rise back up. I think they have found a way to survive in the podcasting world. So that's a really great positive. I would draw a parallel between SiriusXM to like Ford and General Motors, where there's a real existential threat with EV vehicles. However, Ford and GM are finding a way to adapt, and because of that, the extraordinarily low price of Sirius right now, and like in comparing to like Ford and GM, that these stocks should have room to run. And also another great thing that SiriusXM has going for is that there's just not a lot of interest in this stock. So you could have like a nice enjoy a stealth rally before more people jump in. And then when the general investing population jumps in, that's when a stock like this really begins to take off. So go ahead and take a look at SiriusXM Holding if you're looking for a stock under $10 to hold. And if you want, go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates each day on hot stocks. I find everything from penny stocks to EV stocks to tech stocks. And I also look at options and options trading strategies. Okay, thanks you very much. Bye.